Trademark attorney here, and I am happy to welcome you to today's live stream. I'm going to go ahead and share this really quickly. Whoops, if I can do that, to my personal page. So bear with me just a moment while I do that. Let me see how I can get in there. Hope everyone is having a good Wednesday. Let's see here. I have to find the live and then share the live. That's how I have to do it. Here it is. I'm going to say share to my profile, to my timeline, actually. Type in the title here. Okay. Shared. Cool. All right. Let me get back to, okay, I'm back. All right. Not sure if anyone's joining me. If you're viewing this on my timeline, please come on over to my TrademarkDoctor.net page here on Facebook. And if you like my page and follow it, you'll be notified when I go live. I decided to run all the lives from my Facebook business page because then they actually show up as videos on the page, that they're a continuing resource that's being built up. So when people have trademark questions, they can come here and watch a video and get their questions answered. It's all part of my scheme to make more information available for free for online entrepreneurs, because those are the people that I'm passionate about serving. So please feel free to say hi, give me a like or a thumbs up if you're here. If you have questions, go ahead and type that into the comment box and I will answer it for you. So a lot of times people want to know, like when they file their trademark application, is there a particular category that it gets filed under, or how does that all work? And the answer is yes. There's something called international classes. And generally speaking, the different goods and services, like the entire world of goods and services, falls into one or more international classes. That's what they're called when you file your trademark application. So for example, clothing is in class 25. Things that explode are in class 13. Things like fireworks and firearms and ammunition and anything like that. Interestingly enough, sometimes goods get grouped into weird classes. For example, you might be interested to know that battery-operated cookie presses and ant farms are actually in the same international class. Don't ask me why. They just are, okay? You know, things like water filters, class 11 nutritional supplements. I mean, they're all in different classes, right? So one of my jobs as the trademark attorney is to figure out exactly how to describe the goods for the trademark application. So I talk to the client and I ask them, you know, how are you actually using this mark? Or if they haven't started using it yet, on what sorts of goods and services do you intend to use this mark on? Because here's the thing. If we get that wrong, right, and they're using it in a different class than they're actually filed under, it could compromise their trademark rights. So we really want to be careful to make sure that when we describe the goods or services, that we describe it in an accurate manner, right? And I like to try to make it also as broad as possible, because that gives my clients broader rights. So if I have the opportunity to describe my client's goods in a more broad manner rather than a more particular manner, I'm going to go ahead and do that because I want to get my client the broadest protection possible. Sometimes the goods and services international classes overlap, right? So, and sometimes the description of the goods overlap. For example, if you have a water filter, it could be described in a number of ways. It might be described as like a water filtration device, or a water filtration apparatus, or a water filter, or filters for water, or filters for water for household purposes. So there are a lot of different ways to describe just about every kind of good, right? So the important thing is that you describe it in a manner that makes sense for the way in which it will be used. So that's all I have today, short and sweet. Does anyone have any questions for me about international classes and how to decide what international class your goods and services are in? If so, drop me a comment here, because I can't see it otherwise. If you're on my personal profile and you're watching this, I can't see you. Okay, because I'm over here on TrademarkDoctor.net. So come on over and write your comment there, and I'll wait for just a few moments while people do that. Okay, so I'm not seeing any questions or comments, so thanks so much for watching, and I will be back every day at 1 o'clock Central Time. Central Standard Time now will be Central Daylight Time after Sunday. Woohoo! So yeah, I'll see you all then. And again, if you have any questions about trademark law, message me at the TrademarkDoctor.net page, and I will get you a response. And maybe, just maybe, I will make it the subject of my next Facebook Live. And it helps me to know what people are interested in. So go ahead and comment or ask your question. Thanks, everybody, and have a great day.